Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing this highly requested makeup look, and of course starting with, sometimes I don't even know I do voiceovers with what I start with, because you guys, I have been doing this routine for over a year, so either I just don't need to tell you what I'm using, or I need to switch it up. So going in with the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in dark. I am sculpting my brows. You guys know I don't do my brows on camera anymore, so I am doing that, and then I'm setting that concealer with some translucent powder by Laura Mercier. And now I'm starting with the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. Yes, I'm hungry, that's why I'm putting on so much weight, but I'm going in with the color Empress, and that color will be followed by the color Royal Prerogative, which will be the brown color that comes up next, then followed by the color Duchess. So I'm going in with like an orange, like a neutral brown, and then I will put in that dark color Duchess in the crease. So that's Royal Prerogative. I'm using that, and then I'm gonna follow with Duchess because I don't think I showed Duchess, and Duchess is a darker brown. Now I'm gonna blend the color Ladyship into the crease just to add that purple that I really like. I'm going to blend that really well, and then I'm gonna add some Juvia's Place concealer on my eyelids to mute out the color. There we go. So I'm gonna mute that color out with some Juvia's Place concealer. Excuse me. And eat a little bit more because the girl is hungry. And I'm gonna blend that concealer out because it's not gonna be like a cut crease look, but I just want to kind of get rid of that color, so when I lay down my base color, it's not, you know, the color isn't impacted that much. So now I am going in with the color Dethrone, and I'm applying that on the lid, and then going over that with the color Royal Highness. A Royal Highness is like a oh, what kind of color is this? What do you call this color? I don't even know. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't figure it out. But anyways, gonna blend that out. I love the way this look came out. And then I didn't show this color again, but I'm gonna use my finger and go in with the color Crown, which is like the kind of white gold. Oh, there it is. Yeah, white gold color. And I'm just gonna tap that onto the lid to lighten it up a little bit more, and then blend it out. All right, so now I'm gonna line my I'm gonna do a wing liner. I feel like I can't talk today for some reason, but I'm doing a wing liner with a pencil, and then I'm going to go over it with a liquid pen. And then I am going to take that same color, well, this is a shimmery purple called Queen Mother that's in this palette. Or did I use Noble Woman? I think I mixed Queen Mother and Noble Woman to make this wing liner purple. So I mixed those two shadows to give it like to turn it into a purple wing. And there it is. Yeah, I think I mixed Queen Mother and Noble Woman together, but I think it's more Queen Mother to make this purple liner, and I really like how that came out. So of course I'm gonna prime with Tatcha. Today I'm using my favorite foundation, which is the Fenty Beauty the Longwear Hydrating Foundation. So I'm using that. I'm going to blend that in, and then of course I will be using the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage and the Fashion Fair to highlight my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick, or foundation stick really, but I'm using it to contour in the color Truffle, setting with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I mean, it's the same thing. The camera stopped recording, so you won't see that I used my Amman powder in the color Earth Tan Medium, I think it is, and Also mixed it with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark. And then I bronzed with Earth Dark by Iman. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what to do. I just, it's the same thing. I think I just need to find a new routine. That's all. I just think I need to switch it up for 2020, bring something new. But like they say, if it's not broke, why fix it? So this is one of my favorite routines, especially for highlighting and contouring. So I'm not gonna switch it up that much because I love the results I get. And I also did add a touch of Tarte Shape Tape in the right in the corner of my eyes, just to brighten up the look even more. So that was just it. That was the little, you know, a little touch that I did. But outside of that, everything's the same. Okay, so let's get into this lip color. This is Savage by Dose of Colors from the Desi Times Katie, their first palette, or their first collab with Dose of Colors. And I mean, this lip color makes the look. I love, this is my favorite, like deep burgundy type of purple, you know, those deep colors. This is my favorite. Dose of Colors have really amazing liquid lipsticks, and they are just bomb. So love it. Put some crown in the eyes just to open up the eye a little bit more. And yeah, honey, this is a finished look. And you know, y'all know what to do. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know if you like this video. All right, my beauties, I will see y'all in the next video.